Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing what matters: a tuned piano or a digital keyboard set to a equals 440 Hz. This keeps pitch consistent. Learn the pieces home, D minor, because the harmony and mood depend on that scale. Once comfortable with the D natural minor scale, isolate the main motif. Play the right hand melody slowly, one bar at a time, focusing on contour and rhythm. Make sure to count aloud and use a metronome at 60-80 BPM to internalize timing. Next, construct the accompaniment so the melody breathes. Start left hand with octave roots, then expand to broken chords that outline the D minor harmony. Practice hands separately until secure, then combine in short sections, 2 or 4 bars, and loop them. Once done, increase tempo in 5 BPM increments to preserve accuracy. Pay attention to dynamics and voicing so the melody sings above the accompaniment. Make sure accents land on phrase peaks while keeping transitions soft for clarity. To finish, polish articulation and expression. Decide where staccato or legato serves the theme and add a touch of rubato only in phrases that need it. Record your run-throughs and listen critically to balance, timing, and any misnotes. Then target those spots with focused repetition. If you get stuck, slow the passage down dramatically, practice hands separately, and use metronome subdivisions to fix rhythm. One key troubleshooting tip: reduce tempo by half and only increase after 3 clean reps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.